Hello and welcome to another week of Tax Sale Starters, where we bring you the latest tips and insights to make you a better investor. And hopefully we can answer some really great stuff. Today we were asked a question: what liens survive after the tax sale, and should I be concerned? I'll answer that in just a moment. Okay, so let's just get right down to it. Everyone says that when you go and you buy a tax lien or you buy a tax deed, it wipes out everything. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not always the case. It really depends on the county and it depends on the state. Typically, the only things that are superior to a tax deed or tax lien is the IRS, child support. There could be some mechanical liens or judgments. It just depends on the county when we get into those things. Let's just say there could be a grass cutting lien on the property. Maybe they left garbage all over the property and the county had to come up and clean out that stuff. They can keep those things attached to the property. Now, in some instances, they can become a hard fee, meaning after you've acquired the deed, let's say you get a clear title on that through a quiet title, then you can go in and just say, let them know in a reasonable amount of time that those liens are there and you want to resolve them. And then it's just a hard fee. You could just pay them and get rid of them. But in some cases, like the IRS actually has a right to come in and take that property away. And in doing so, they would have to give you back pay you. Let me just clarify that. They would have to pay you for your interest in that property. So whatever you invested plus whatever the penalties were associated with it based off of your state. So there are liens that can still remain attached to the property after you've actually acquired the deed or lien. So there's been a misrepresentation in the market that, just because you buy a tax deed or you buy a tax lien, everything else is wiped out. And that is not the case. So be sure when you're doing your due diligence that you're also researching the property to find out if there's any other liens outside of a mortgage that may be attached to the property. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for asking the questions. Don't forget to leave your questions below in the comments so that we can answer them on the next week's tips. Hit the subscribe button and a notification bell so we can keep you up to date on when the next videos are coming out. And we'll see you on the next video. Happy investing.